Hey and welcome to Alpha 1 this Sunday morning. We are now going to run Alpha Master. It's a free binary option robot that you also can have completely for free. Just use the link you see up here right now and you can download this robot today, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also make sure you see to the end of the video because there I will show you the win rate, profit and all this good stuff. But now let's start up Alpha Master.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain. Keep on grinding till we die. Ain't no mercy in this life. There's nowhere left to run away. No, there's nowhere left to run away. Getting stronger every day. Through the bullets and the flames, but the fire's in your eyes and there's no place left to hide. You got nowhere to run away. No, you got nowhere to run away. Run away, 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 run away,
And there we got it. 4 trades, 50% win rate and $93 profit. Amazing again. So today was a Sunday and amazing trades. You can download this robot also complete free. Just push this robot thing you see up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. So that, have an amazing day.